The U.S. National Science Foundation (NSF) issued a solicitation for a new multidisciplinary world-class educational center at the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico that aims to serve as a hub for STEM education and outreach. The center would expand upon existing education and outreach opportunities currently in place at the Arecibo Observatory site, while also implementing new STEM programs and initiatives. The new center is expected to open in 2023. Managed by NSF since the 1970s, Arecibo Observatory has contributed to scientific discoveries, including the demonstration of gravitational waves from a binary pulsar and the first discovery of an extrasolar planet. In 2020, Arecibo Observatory's 305-meter telescope collapsed. The observatory has, over the course of its nearly 60-year history, become a highly regarded part of the community for many of Puerto Rico's citizens, serving as a source of pride and a local economic benefit, while also providing access to training and employment for many in the community. The solicitation calls for proposals to manage the education, STEM research, and outreach aspects of the center. The solicitation does not include rebuilding the 305-meter telescope or operational support for current scientific infrastructure, such as the 12-meter radio telescope or LiDAR facility.